Hi Jalan, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and healthy, and also you have done your exams very well. Now we are going to start our classes, regular classes. In the last class we were in the third chapter, HCF and LCM, and we were discussed the divisibility tests of numbers of divisibility tests of 2, 3, 4, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, then comes 8, 9, 10. 10, that you know, if the last number is 0, unit number is 0, then any number having unit number as 0 is divisible by 10. Okay, so all these things we had discussed, and then the worksheet. Okay, now we move on to our next topic, that is prime factorization of numbers by division method. How to find out the prime factorization? Prime numbers means, prime numbers we had already given the definition. Numbers which have only two factors, that one and the factor, the number itself, is called a prime number. Okay, prime factorization means if we can express a given number in the form of multiples of prime numbers, is product of prime numbers, then that expression is called prime factorization. Okay. For example, I had shown you that number 40, how can you express this number 40 in prime factors? Prime factors means you have to express this number 40 as the product of 2, 3, or 2 or 3 or 5 or 7. These are the prime numbers. So if you can express these numbers in the product of these prime numbers, then that expression is called prime factorization. Okay, 40 I have shown that when you prime factorize it, 40, when you prime factorize 40, prime factorization starts from number 2. Number 2, if the given number is divisible by 2 or not. First of all, you have to see whether the number is divisible by the first prime number, that is 2. Here 40 is divisible by 2 because it is an even number, and also it has 0 in its unit place. So try for 2. When you divide 40 by 2, you will get 20. 2 2s are 4, then 0 comes down. Now again 20 is a even number, so again you can divide 20 by 2. That is, when we divide it by 2, you will get 10. Now again divide it by 2. 10 is an even number, again we can divide it by 2, then we get 5. 5 is not an even number, and also 5 is a prime number, so we can divide it by 5 only, that is 1. So now you can write this 40 as 40 is equal to 2 into 5. So this is called prime factorization of 40. Prime factorization. We had expressed 40 as the product of numbers 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So this method is called prime factorization by division method. Okay. Now we next move on to the next example. I have shown you 345. 345. When we prime factorize it, I have shown you that 345, 3, 4, 5. The last digit is 5. So we cannot divide it by 2. We cannot start the division by 2. We will start the division by 5 only. 3 is the first number. 345 divided by 5, you will get, when you divide it by that you will get 69. Now 69 has 9 as the unit place number. 9 is not divisible by 2 or 5. We will try it for 3 because its last digit is 9 and is an even number, odd number. So we will try for 3. Try for 3 means 3 is divisibility test, or actually you have to use divisibility test of 3. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 is divisible by 3. So this 69 will be divisible by 3. When we divide it, you will get 23. 23 as the result. Now, by which number we can divide 23? It is not possible by 2, not possible by 3, as 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 is not divisible by 3. So we cannot divisible 23 by 5. Now 5 divisibility by 5. See, last number is not 5. So it cannot be divisible by 5. And next comes 7. 7's test also not possible here. But 23, as you know, that table Eratosthenes, sieve of Eratosthenes that we had discussed in the test book. You have that table. See that table. You can see 23 is a prime number. So it cannot be comes in any other numbers table. It is not a multiple of any other number. So what we can do the number itself will be the divisor. So if we divide 23 by 23, we will get 1 as the result. So what is the prime factorization of this 345? So 345 is equal to 5 into 3 into 23. This is see, 5 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 23 is a prime number. So all the 3 numbers are prime numbers. Then 345's prime factorization is 5 into 3 into 23. Okay. Now I have given you some solved examples. In that 680. Find the prime factorization of 680. 680 is an even number, so I had started from 2. So 2, 680 is 360 divided by 2. 680 divided by 2 is 340. 340 divided by 2, again it's an even number, so we can divide it by 2. What we get? 170. Now it is again an even number. What we get? Divided by 2, we get 85. 8 2s are 16. Then 1 10. 2 5s are 10. Now 85 is not an even number, and also it has 5 in its unit place, and also 8 plus 5 is 13. It cannot be divisible by 3. So it cannot be divisible by 3. So now I will try for 5. Now 85 divided by 5 is 17 only. Now 17 divided by 17 is a prime number, so we cannot divide it by any other number. So 17 we will get 1 as the remainder. Okay, or 1 as the result. So we can express this 680 as 680 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 17. Okay, this is the prime factorization of 680. Okay, the same thing 240 also. Started from 2 to 2, then I will get we will get 120. 120 is again an even number. We will try for 2. What we get? 60. 60 divided by 2, we will get 30. 30 divided by 30 is again an even number. We can try for 2. 30 divided by 2 is 15, and 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 divided by 3. 3 can be divided by 3 only. So we get 3 and 1 as the remainder. Okay. So 240 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. Okay. Same way 60 also we had factorized, prime factorized as 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. So these are the solved examples I shown you. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Stay safe, stay home and healthy. Okay. Thank you, children.